We got a big Cerebro update. This is Lukeception here. This is the previous video I posted when Cerebro went live. And now they got a big update because there will be an NFT mint for the most loyal users. They just posted this. We're gonna go through the thread right now. Gonna check it out. If you've seen this video, you probably signed up. And if you got the annual plan, they got something really good for you. This one here was the YouTube video. This one here was the X video that I posted. And now they just posted this, introducing our Genesis NFT collection, Alice Keys of Power. Alice is the AI bot, as I explained in the last video. If you haven't seen this, I'm gonna link it down there. Keys of Power representing meaningful access to the Cerebro ecosystem. Since launching Cerebro, growth has been nothing short of explosive. We've hit 80,000 users excluding spam, with more than 50,000 having ethos scores, so this is rather good. Over the past month, we have also averaged 10,000 DAUs, this is daily active users, amidst thousands of new users joining. Never in our wildest dreams did we think this was possible. As a result, our focus is evolving from user acquisitions to scalability and retention. This means strengthening our infrastructure and expanding product capabilities to better serve our growing user base. Our vision is to build the best platform in crypto to manage your portfolio with unmatched intelligence across your assets, performance, risks, and strategy. We're barely done and there's so much more to execute on. So why launch a Genesis NFT collection? While we've had meaningful conversations with VCs and funds, a common question has repeatedly come up from our users. How do we get involved at a deeper level and be invested in Cerebro's growth? As longtime traders and investors ourselves, we've seen firsthand the value unlocked through community participation. Some of the most iconic projects in our space, e.g. Hyperliquid, Pump Fun, also grew exponentially without traditional venture backing. We want to follow a similar ethos with the launch of our Genesis NFT collection. So similar to Ethos, for example, or also Kaito with the Yapabaras, or the Genesis NFTs as they called it before they had the art reveal. The idea is to bring the community in from the ground floor and not as an afterthought. Hence the principles of the mint are transparent, fair access, broad distribution. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Alice Keys' limited collection of NFTs designed to unlock future utility and access within the Cerebro ecosystem. Final pricing and distribution details will be revealed before the sale. A small portion will be set aside for whitelist, with the majority open to the public. To participate in the mint and opt in for whitelist selection, ensure you have input an EVM wallet. This can be found under Profile Mint Wallet in your Cerebro account. If I'm being honest, I haven't seen this yet. Maybe it's not yet live actually. I've looked through Cerebro, I haven't seen this, but it will probably be live any minute now. They basically just posted this, so hold on. Now, the alpha for all the people that got an annual plan. I don't. Damn it. I posted about this, but I don't have one. Annual plan holders, we've got you. We've taken a snapshot of all active annual subscribers. Each of you will be airdropped. And the important part is there's already a snapshot. So if you now get the annual part, you're not part of the snapshot. You won't get the following things, which is each of you will be airdropped one Alice Keys NFT directly to your mint wallet post mint, and also be whitelisted for mint. Loyalty is a two-way street. This is our first step in giving back, so this is super nice. I got the feeling that the keys will be worth more than your annual subscription, so yeah, congrats to everyone that got the annual subscription. Let me know if you did this because of my video. Would be super happy if some of you guys then would get the free NFT and also the whitelist for the mint. Let's go to the end. We don't foresee doing many collabs. However, do reach out to NFT Boy if your community has an interest in whitelist spots. He will be the sole point of contact and decision maker for all whitelists and collab discussions. Lastly, we will be giving away a few whitelist spots to those who like and retweet this post and follow this account. Stay tuned for more details. So, this is the alpha and update on Cerebro. If you don't know what Cerebro is, go check out my video on either YouTube or X, where I explain everything in detail. If you want to know specific things, I got the chapter markers on X and on YouTube, so you can skip directly to the info that you need. And that's already it. I got an abstract update coming up tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.